Ever struggled to calculate unfinished road and repaving quantities? Welcome to this present trade tutorial on how to create subgrade variations automatically using Civil Site Design. In this video, we'll explore how to apply changes to the subgrade quickly and see them update instantly inside the cross-section viewer. So, let's get started. Make sure you're in the Roads tab. Click the Subgrade Editor button. A new window will pop up. First, choose the road where you want to apply the subgrade variation by selecting the string name, then click Add. This adds the road to our list so we can begin editing it. For this example, let's set the Start Chainage to 50 and the End Chainage to 100. For Code 1, choose Center Line, and for Code 2, select REB. Next comes an important field, the Layer Index. Each layer in Civil Site Design represents a different structural level of the pavement, such as base, sub-base, or subgrade. By choosing a layer index, we're telling the software which layer of the road structure the subgrade variation should apply to. In this case, we'll select Layer 3. Now let's define the start depth as 0.2 and the end depth as 0.5. Once everything's set, click Apply, and instantly you'll see the subgrade applied in the cross-section viewer. Need to edit it? Easy. If we change the start depth to 0.5 and click Apply, the subgrade updates immediately. Want to change the slope? Set it to -3, hit Apply, and the change appears right away. If you delete the row for that road and click Apply, Civil Site Design resets everything. So you can start fresh anytime without worry. Now, if we select the road and click Add/Sync section, the software automatically adds all the sections that share the same codes and ranges we defined earlier. And here you have it. A smooth, flexible way to control your subgrade depth and slope layer by layer with instant visual feedback. Contact Present Trade today to get your free trial of Civil Site Design and try it yourself.